Happy morning to one and all present here. Today's assembly brought to you by grade 5 students. Silent prayer. Tamil Thai வாழ்த்து.
நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராரும் மதனமென திகழ்வரத கண்டமிடில் எக்கணமும் அதிசிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் வழங்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறமையான செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே.
School song.
God makes my life bright. Wherever I go, He will lead. God makes my life bright. Wherever I go, He will lead. He shapes my days pure, inspires me to rise, aspire and achieve through hill and dale. Inspires me to rise, aspire and achieve through hill and dale. The flames of Shri Shakti will lead me on the path. The flames of Shri Shakti will lead me on the path of virtue, wisdom and truth. He gives me strength, peace and comfort throughout my life. He gives me strength, peace and comfort throughout my life. God makes my life bright. Wherever I go, He will lead. God makes my life bright. Wherever I go, He will lead.
Pledge.
India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it, rich in varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people I pledge my devotion. India well-being, prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Today's assembly theme is on New Year resolution. Theme based speech.
Happy morning, students. Today our assembly theme is New Year resolutions. What is called as resolution? A promise to do something differently in the new year. A lot of resolutions fail because they are not the right resolutions, and the resolutions may be wrong or for one of three main reasons. The first one, it's a resolution created based on what someone else or society is telling you to change. Second one, it's too vague. Third one, you don't have a realistic plan for achieving your resolution. Your goals should be smart. You know what is meant by smart? It's specific, measurable, achievable, relevant and time bound. It may work for management, but it can also work in setting your resolution too. Specific. Your resolution should be absolutely clear. Making a concrete goal is really important rather than just vaguely saying. Second one, measurable. This may seem obvious if your goal is a fitness or weight loss related one, but it's also important if you are trying to cut back on something. If for example you want to stop biting your nails, take pictures of your nails over time so you can track your progress in how those nails grow back out. Third one, achievable. This does not mean that you can't have big stretch goals, but trying to take too big a step too fast can leave you frustrated or affect other areas of your life to the point that your resolution takes over your life and both of you and your friends and family. The next one, relevant. Is this a goal that really matters to you? And are you making it for the right reasons? If you do it out of the sense of self-hate or a strong passion in the moment, it doesn't usually last long. The final one is time bound. Like achievable, the timeline towards reaching your goal should be realistic too. That means giving yourself enough time to do it with lots of smaller intermediate goals set up along the way. Focus on these small wins so you can make gradual progress. So, my dear children, set your new resolution for this new year and work for that. Thank you, children.
Theme-based activity.
My name is Dagun. My first goal for the new year is I will put away things when I am done using them. I will help my mom and dad to complete their task. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Guru Nivesh. I am studying grade 5. This year my new year resolution is to spend my evening time effectively. I had decided to do gardening. I has planned to grow simple veggies like tomato, chili and coriander leaf with my mom's help. Thank you.
Hi friends, my first goal for the year is I will read a new book for every 2 weeks and will share the story of the book to my friends. In order to reach the new goal, I would find a book from library and I start read it. Thank you.
Happy morning, I'm Pranav from grade 5. My resolution for this new year is to use gadgets only when it's necessary. I will not use it for playing or watch random videos. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Vaishali. I am from grade 5. Today I am going to talk about my resolution. This new year, I made a resolution to inculcate the healthy eating habits. In my food plate, I will include plenty of vegetables, leaves and dry fruits. I will achieve this goal with help of my parents. Thank you.
Theme-based video.
How to make a good resolution and how to actually stick to it. Let's begin. Number 1. Don't make a resolution based on what you don't want to do. Many people tend to think about what they don't like doing but should be doing when making a resolution. For example, I hate exercising. I guess I should start doing it this year. My room is always dirty. I should have a clean room this year. I hate studying. I should start studying better this year. If you think about what you don't want to do, it will be hard to get the willpower to do it. So instead, you have to make your resolution based on what you really want to do. Instead of thinking, I hate exercising, but I guess I should do it since it will be good for me. You should think more like, I really want to start exercising because it will make me healthier. That way, you will have the willpower to actually do what you want to do. Number 2, focus on positivity. Still related to point number 1, people tend to focus on what they want to change about themselves and things they dislike about themselves. So instead of saying, I will stop eating junk food, you should say, I'll start eating healthier. Positivity will get you the result you want instead of negativity. Number 3, be specific about what you want. If you want to get a job, don't just say something vague like, I'll get a job. You should write down what job you want and imagine the good feeling you'll experience once you have that job. Visualization is one of the keys of getting what you want. Number 4, focus on the process and not the outcome. Say you want to lose weight. If you only focus on the target number,
you'll start blaming yourself if you don't reach that number in a certain amount of time. If, however, you pay attention to the things you do to achieve your goal of losing weight, for example, you start eating healthier and exercising more day by day, you'll then appreciate yourself instead of degrading yourself all the time. Number 5. Don't try to do things alone. If you want to start something like exercising, it'll be better if you do it together with your friends or family members. You're more likely to stick to your resolution if you have someone to remind you of it. For example, if one day you're feeling too lazy to go jogging, your sibling or your friend might come to you and say, "Hey, aren't we going on a morning run now?" When that happens, it doesn't matter whether you want to do it or not. Having someone doing it together with you gives you more motivation to do things because they give you that push you need to start moving. Number 6. Reward yourself. Give yourself something to enjoy once you've done your task. For example, you can allow yourself to play video games after you have finished practicing piano. As long as the reward doesn't conflict with your goals, then you should go ahead and pair the thing you don't want to do with a reward that you might otherwise not give yourself permission for. And finally, be kind to yourself. Self-compassion is much more motivating than self-criticism. Many people believe that they are more motivated by self-criticism and shame than anything else. They aren't really paying attention to the effect on their behavior and choices when they are that hard on themselves. Shaming and blaming yourself every time you fail to do your resolution will only make you want to escape your task by procrastinating. However, rewarding and appreciating yourself for the small steps and progress you managed to make will motivate you to do even better next time. So from now on, instead of shaming yourself, start appreciating yourself. It'll then prompt you to do what you can in order to reach your goals.
Thoughts for the day.
Hi, I am Vaishalini from grade 5. Today's English thought. Leave behind you the old chapters. They were filled with pages of worries. And behind the new year with happiness, cheers and smiles. A very, very happy new year. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मेरी नाम नितन्या। मैं 5 कक्षा है पढ़ती हूँ। 5 का कविता उत्साह। कोई भी व्यक्ति बीते समय में जाकर उसमें बदलाव नहीं कर सकता, पर वक्त आज एक नई शुरुआत कर सकता है अपने आने वाले कल को अच्छा बनाने के लिए. The English meaning of the thought. No man can change his past, but he can make a fresh start today to make your future better. धन्यवाद.
Tamil poem.
வணக்கம், என் பெயர் மோனிஷா. நான் 5ஆம் வகுப்பில் படிக்கிறேன். இன்றைய தமிழ் கவிதை. புத்தாண்டு பிறக்குது, எண்ணற்ற ஞாபகங்கள், எண்ணிலடங்கா அனுபவங்கள். கடந்து சென்ற ஆண்டு கடத்தி சென்றது நினைவலைகளை. பிறக்கட்டும் புத்தாண்டு, இன்பங்களே இனியாக. இருக்கட்டும் நிம்மதி, நோயற்ற வாழ்க்கை. நேசிக்கட்டும் உயிர்களும் நெறிமுறைகளும் தவறாமலே. அனைவருக்கும் இனிய புத்தாண்டு நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். நன்றி.
திருக்குறள்.
வணக்கம். இந்த திருக்குறள் குறள் எண் 669. அதிகாரம் வினைத்திட்பம். குறள். துன்பம் உறவழினும் செய்க துணிவாற்றின் இன்பம் பழக்கும் வினை. பொருள். இன்பம் கொடுக்கும் தொழிலை செய்யும்போது துன்பம் மிக மிக வந்த போதிலும் துணிவை மேற்கொண்டால் அதனை செய்ய முடியும். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Quiz.
The universal donor blood group is O, A, B, AB. The right answer is O. Next one, non-metallic mineral is marble, manganese, silver, lead. The right answer is marble. Next question, in the visible spectrum, the color having the shortest wavelength is green, red, violet, blue. The right answer is violet. Next question, which of the following is a semiconductor? Silver, glass, copper, silicon. Yes, the correct answer is silicon. Next one, which of the following Indian states has the longest total railway track? West Bengal, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. The right answer is Uttar Pradesh. Next question, Sputnik vaccine of corona is developed by which of the following countries? India, China, Russia and Canada. The right answer is Russia. A system program designed to aid the programmer in finding and correcting errors or bugs is known as evaluator, debugger, quarantiner, corrector. The right answer is debugger. Thank you, children.
News.
Morning, today's news, international news. Grammy Awards postponed indefinitely amid Omicron concern. Myanmar has ingredients for civil war. National news. PM Modi security lapse, no democracy left in Punjab. BJP sets up 24 members election committee for UP polls. Sports news. Mithali Raj to lead India as BCCI announced 15 members squad for Women's World Cup 2022. Thank you.
Address by Vice Chairman Sir and Principal Ma'am. Brain Yoga. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. National Anthem.